Just in time for Thanksgiving, chef and cookbook author Anna Olson is out with a new cookbook called Anna Cooks, and it is stuffed with recipes for every meal of the day. Good morning, thanks for joining us.
Well, nice to be here, and stuffed is the word to use today. Yes.
We have stuffing, we have a variety of things that we're going to get into today.
Exactly.
Why a full meal kind of cookbook? Because you're known for your baking excellence.
Well, that is, and which is why I thought it was an appropriate time to show my savory side to the world. And so this cookbook contains recipes for every meal of the day. Starting with breakfast, I include an entire chapter on snacks and nibbles.
Wow.
Because sometimes we get stuck on creative ideas, but I also love my snacks and nibbles.
Okay, yeah, who doesn't? So we have Thanksgiving on the way, and we're cooking some turkey.
Well, in the cookbook, I love doing a Sunday roasted chicken on any fall weekend and through the winter and into the spring. So I include an autumn and a spring version, but I thought this adapts easily to turkey, especially if you're not doing the full big bird, like maybe you're just cooking for 4 or 6.
Right.
I'm making a small batch of stuffing, and we're going to put a turkey breast on top of it.
Okay.
So in my pan, I have some cooked bacon, and I've cooked down some onion and celery.
Perfect. And
so for a little added flavor, I add some garlic, chopped fresh thyme, and you'll see in the book I rely on fresh thyme a lot. It's kind of my savory flavor book. It's my equivalent of vanilla in baking. It's like the savory version of vanilla. A little fresh sage, of course. You can use dried if you want. And then I add a splash of white vermouth. So this is dry vermouth.
Wow.
So it adds the flavor of white wine without being as liquidy.
Okay.
And so you can keep the white wine for your glass.
There you go.
Yeah.
It's the most important thing.
So this gets stirred into, I've got diced up bread cubes.
Okay.
I'll just turn that off. And then all you have to do, I kind of pile it all up together, is whether it's a whole chicken split in half or this turkey breast. You buy it like this and it's on the bone. And what I like about it is the stuffing keeps the turkey moist. The juices cook into the stuffing, but on the outside edge, if I could have you pop that in the oven, little salt and pepper, little oil, and even you could put some paprika on there if you want.
Okay.
The difference is I cook it in a 400-degree oven. And where if you're doing a big turkey, you're talking 3, 4, even longer.
Right.
A turkey breast about that size takes anywhere from an hour to an hour and 15 minutes. Yes.
Okay. So you're not laboring all day.
No, no. And then I do include the recipe for gravy, which you do on the side. And here's some other, can I dish up?
Yeah, let's go.
A little turkey for you. I've got some other examples from the book that really suit Thanksgiving. This is a sweet potato focaccia with garlic.
It looks amazing.
Thyme. The thyme sneaks in there again. And this is a salad. If you're looking to sort of switch up your side dishes a bit, lemon roasted sweet potato and beets with pickled red onions, pecans, and arugula. So you've got sweet, you've got bitter, you've got tartness. Yeah.
And you got a variety of colors here as well. It's very appealing to the eye.
Yes, and these are baked apple cider donuts.
Wow. Showstopper.
So lots to choose from.
So what's on your Thanksgiving table this weekend?
We are hosting the family. So they're probably, it's not a huge crowd. There'll probably be 8 of us.
Yeah.
And doing the full turkey. We're also going to put some ribs on the barbecue.
Okay.
And I go classic. I'm doing apple pie, pumpkin pie.
Nice.
Do you like a little cranberry?
I would love a little cranberry, sure.
Okay.
I'm not going to say no to that. Adds a little more color to the dish. Right, we eat with our eyes, right?
Yes. Oh, and I should note.
Thank you so much.
There you go, a nice start. Get you in the Thanksgiving spirit.
This is a nice breakfast.
In the cookbook, of course I'm going to include a dessert chapter, but because it's a full menu book, I gear it towards people who might be new to baking. So if you don't have all the tools and gadgets, there are so many recipes. This focaccia recipe, you need it by hand. You don't need stand mixers, approachable recipes. Maybe I'll get you hooked on baking if you're new to it.
I'm in. Do you have any plans for signings, book events, that kind of thing this fall?
I do, and in fact next weekend, I'll be local. I'll be at the Ancaster Home and Garden Fair.
Nice.
If you just Google Ancaster
Home and Garden Fair.
Home and Garden Show. You'll find all the details. I'll be there on the Sunday.
Okay.
There's a baking and sweets show in Mississauga. I'll be there on Saturday, the 18th.
Nice.
So, yep, I'm out and around. The best thing to do, check out my website or my social media to see where I'll be.
Okay, excellent. And you were mentioning just before we got on there, this is your 12th book?
Yes.
Okay.
I share that in common with Taylor Swift.
You were saying with Taylor
Yes.
Swift, her 12th album is out, your 12th book is out. Continued success on this. It is going to be not only a phenomenal read, but I think an eye-opener, especially for those from the dessert standpoint where maybe they're just starting to get into baking. This is going to be a great starting point.
I certainly hope so. Meant to be approachable and accessible.
Yes. Well, we're going to enjoy some of this fantastic breakfast/lunch/dinner. More Morning Live coming up after the break as well. And all the links to Anna Olson's new book on our website, chch.com/morninglive. Bon appetit.